Hello everyone, I'm Victor from MonChart and let me show you how to connect Salesforce to MonChart just in a few clicks and turn your CRM data into live and shareable dashboards like that. For that, please log in to monchart.com using your credentials or create account there and then go to your profiles and click on connect to Salesforce here. I already connected. Please approve it from your site and it's read-only access which allows to read data from your Salesforce site. And for example, if I go to the boards, I can click on add tile, click on Salesforce and choose different type of metrics including pipeline by stage, pipeline by owner, win rate, lead conversion, case resolution time, campaign performance, and so on and so forth. Click on add all, for example, 14 different type of metrics from Salesforce, and then it takes just few seconds. You can publish it and add to your already publishable dashboard like that. For example, you can filter by Salesforce only like that. You can generate AI summary. You can see, for example, data for last 90 days related to Salesforce. You can see information from AI regarding this type of data, and then you can choose, for example, time frame. Just imagine 1 year. It's updated automatically, and if it's publishable, you'll see, for example, the data for last year. You'll see them indexable and searchable and visible by your clients. For example, I have this board publishable, and you can see Salesforce data already there. And if you embed this type of analytical information to your, for example, any website or article, you'll see them directly on this type of websites as well. For example, I have Google Analytics data, YouTube data, and Salesforce data just other there. And it's easy to publish Salesforce data to your clients, customers, just using few clicks, or embed after that this data to any website, documentation, or internal portal. If you go to public page or board page, you can, for example, stop sharing this. Just click on make private, and also this data can be automatically updated, and you can choose time frame, for example, every 12 hours, every 6 hours, and then so on and so forth, if you activated this option as well. And please connect in Salesforce, and after that you will see Salesforce data just other there. For that, you should update your accounts to premium, or if you don't have premium account yet, you can try it by trial version for 7 days and test Salesforce integrations or any other integrations like Zendesk, Jira, Stripe, YouTube, and so on and so forth. Please connect your Salesforce organization, publish your first live chart, and start building dashboards today at monchart.com. Thanks for watching that.